today with me, I'm unboxing iPhone 13 Pro Max and Pro. So I forgot I was gonna record a video, so I accidentally opened just the box, not the phone. So yeah, there's one of them. Here, let's do a fresh open for the other one. Let's do the bigger one first. So if you guys want to see more detail about the devices itself, and check out the video I did before. This is just unboxing. So regular charger and stuff. I'm not gonna go open that. All I need is the device. So this is something blue, I forgot what it's called. And this is the matte gray. Or gray. One of those. Click the power buttons. You can see which one boots faster. Okay, well, let me just do this. Let's try to do it at the same time. English, United States, and then I'm gonna do manual, and then I'll get back to you on that. Okay, so I just realized I'm not gonna set up this one yet. I'm gonna save it for another time when I'm actually gonna use it. That's because my Wi-Fi is lagging right now and it's hard enough to record this video with all the setup back there, but you guys can't see. So my phone is currently being backed up over there, so I am gonna set up Wi-Fi on here real quick. I forgot to do that while I was deciding what phone to use. So one sec. So it says phones being activated, privacy, Face ID. Why don't we do that right now? Let's see if I can try to get you guys to see, get started. Or maybe not. So second scan was complete, so a little bit offsided. Second scan was complete, so Face ID is now set up. Okay, it's just saying how I'm gonna do this. So I'm gonna pause you guys right here while my phone finishes backing up. But the option that I'm going to click is restore from PC or Mac. Now we're on the step of putting my SIM in. So I'm just going to pop this open. And I'm just going to put this upside down. And now it goes back in. That's it. Simple. And now my pin just went in there. Okay, we're still waiting for the backup. I just saw the pin on I just saw my new SIM on the table. So I said might as well plug in. I don't know how long the upload's the transfer's gonna take. But we're gonna try something different because that's taking too long. I saw an option on here that says transfer directly from iPhone, so let's try it. I'm gonna pick the option this Mac. Oh, see, it's already okay. Let's see. Set up as new phone. Alright. I wonder if I want to do transfer directly from. Why do you want to transfer apps? and do it. Oh, let's just try it. If it doesn't get transferred right, then who cares? Come on. You picked up the darn phone a minute ago. Okay, let's try it. Not that. Okay, let's just try it. So I'm just going to scan the little mishmash, whatever this is. So I'm doing that. It's transferring information, whatever that means. Okay. Transfer data from the other phone. And I'm just gonna do estimate 1 hour. Okay, maybe I'll time lapse this. I'll get you guys a better angle so I can time lapse it. So while I was moving it, I think it already did it. So I'm just gonna do. Oh no, it's still on. Okay. This is the best angle I can get you guys. Sorry. Maybe that's the best angle I can get you. Right there. Looks like almost everything. Apps, settings, connections. Okay. I'm just gonna do continue because this is gonna be my mainstream pen. We'll set up later this in Office and Wallet. Okay, looks like we're on the next step. Yep, transfer complete. Okay, let's see. Let me just put my password in. Yep, everything. Oh, new apps. Okay, location. Go ahead, use. Looks like everything transferred over. Looks like I got some new apps, but yeah. I might, in a few weeks, do a camera test between this phone and my iPhone X. So stay tuned for that, and don't forget to like and subscribe, and comment down below. Again, if you guys want more information, I'll watch my first unboxing for the iPhone X. iPhone 13.